Hey, what's happening, y'all? So today's video, not a whole lot of topwater fish, really no topwater fish. Had a hard time lately on the topwater, but the white spinnerbait is the freaking deal right now, man. I caught several good fish this trip. The biggest one I caught, I only got half the fight on camera because my GoPro died, but several big ones. They were really munching this thing. Even when the sun came out, they were still hitting it. I almost think this white spinnerbait is so bright, they can't tell it's a lure. Like, this thing reflects so much freaking light. It's got silver blades, freaking disco ball for a head. That white trailer, you know, just it reflects so much light, especially in the sun. I don't think they can really see that it's a lure, if that makes any sense, but just a theory. Anyways, stay tuned. This is going to be a sick video, y'all. Big, y'all. Oh my, oh, that's a giant. I'm glad I switched to the spinnerbait. Stay down. Don't do it. Giant. I was just thinking, man, this looks like spinnerbait weather right here. Boom, baby. She fucking hammered it. I was throwing the Shadowlicious on an underspin. I don't know if y'all can hear that. I got a rattle in it. Can actually put a rattle in that little tail slot. But man, this weather was just calling for a spinnerbait. That was like my second cast with it, like a 5-pounder. Look at that beast. What a beauty. Throwing the old Strike King white spinnerbait, man. £4 pounds, 8 ounces. Nice one. Another. Oh my gosh. Another good one on the spinnerbait. Oh wow. Hell yeah. That's another freaking good one. Don't shake off. Come here. Long skinny one. Man, she hammered it. Funny thing is, I didn't bring any more of these trailers. So I hope this one lasts me. I brought some other Z-Crawls, but they're the sparkly color one, which should work fine. This white one pairs up really nicely with it. Another good one. Hello there, fish. You want a little spinnerbait, do you? You want a little spinnerbait, do you? Hey, the spinnerbait is the ticket right now, man. They do not want a freaking topwater. Not a bad one, man. Nice. They really want the spinnerbait. Really want it. Oh, that was a good one. Dang it. Dang it, man. Y'all, that's a pretty good bass. I think that's a white. I got 4-pound line on. I got 4-pound line on. Just gotta let her pull. Oh man, I might have some fun out here if these are fucking whites. I don't know if that's a largie or a white. I think it's a white. Saw him busting out here. Figured I might as well try to get on a few of these. Is that a largie? That's a white. It's a white. Come here, you. Damn, that's a nice one. That is a nice one, dude. These things do not cooperate, though. Nice, healthy white. I don't know if the fish are good to eat out of here. Probably not. But man, you could fill up a bucket of whites if you wanted to eat a few of them. Nice. Biggin. Biggin. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing pull. God, that's a fucking another 4-pounder. That's another 4-pounder, y'all. Ooh, maybe bigger. Damn. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come here. Gotcha. That's like a 4-pounder. Yeah, the white spinnerbait is the fucking ticket. Look at that beauty. Absolutely murdering the spinnerbait today. What a fun day. Yeah, 3 pounds, 15 ounces, 4-pounder. All right, baby. A little bit. Got her. Hell yeah. Think these fish want a spinnerbait, man? Hell yeah. It's a solid one. I swear that bass had it in her fucking mouth. Oh yeah. It's a good one, y'all. Bedfish. It's another one. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Don't do it. Come here, I got you. Nice. That's a solid one right there. There's another one on the bed with her that's like the same freaking size. I'm seeing a lot of bedfish still at the end of April. Man, this thin wire hook gets them. Another bedfish, man. Haven't seen any big ones on bed, but dude, it's fun. So many beds over here. Holy crap. I can't believe how many beds there are. I was like, everywhere I look, there's a freaking bed. Catch one right here. Monster. Monster. Look at that beast, y'all. That's probably a freaking 6-pounder. Fucking GoPro died. What are the chances of that happening? Just ran out of battery on me. Yeah, I got part of the fight on camera though. Wait on this girl. £5, 14, back and forth between 13 and 14. That's a tank. What a tank. She built the right way. Man, it sucks my GoPro died on that one. I cannot get these fish to touch a fucking top water. I don't know what it is. My last like several trips out here, they will not touch a fucking top water. It's really unusual. I don't know if it's just wrong place, wrong time, or what the fucking deal is, but the only thing I can catch them on is a fucking spinnerbait lately. Hell of a fish right there. So I've caught a 4-pounder, a 4.5, 513. Pretty solid fucking day right there. Stay tuned, y'all. I got a lot more water to cover before I get back to the ramp. I'm gonna keep slow rolling this white spinnerbait and see what happens. I see beds all over the place. I'm literally, I was on that one. I saw two big white patches. And I just slow rolled it right over him. I guarantee you that fish is on a bed. Hell of a fish, man. Stay tuned. Oh, that was another big one, y'all. Right after I just released that one, that was a 4-pounder. Holy fucking shit. Got you, little Jimmy. Got you, little Jimmy. Little Jim Jam. Adios. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. You know, lately I've been parking at the Austin High boat ramp. Let me know in the comments if any of y'all have had problems with... There's this dickhead freaking meter maid giving everyone tickets that parks at the ramp. And I know for a fact it's free parking. Has anyone else had that problem? Literally every single car that parked at the ramp, he's giving them tickets. My buddy got a ticket last time. He almost got me. I got out of there just in time. But yeah, let me know if any of y'all have had that problem, or if you really do have to pay to park there. But I'm almost 100% sure you only have to pay to park on the street. So yeah, let me know. I'll have another video coming out fairly soon. That's just going to be kind of a compilation of several trips, because this is the first good trip I've had in a while where I caught several big ones in the same day. But all my other trips have been kind of slow by my standards. So I had some decent days, but not where I'm catching like multiple big ones in the same day. So stay tuned for that video, and yeah, we'll catch y'all next time. Later.